The secrets, benefits, mysticism of Sri Vidya and Astagandha Sri Chakra. From Sri Vidya Sri Freedom, the Life Force Academia, teachings of cosmic spiritual science. Expect the unexpected beyond the expectations.
Secrets, mysticism, benefits of Sri Vidya Upasana Tantra. Lord Shiva, the embodiment of static consciousness and the masculine principle, is called Purusha. Bestowed 64 tantras, 64 mantras, and 64 yantras for humanity's well-being. To achieve self-realization, liberation, and to overcome obstacles. Eventually, for the benefit of the world, he consolidated all 64 tantras, mantras, and yantras into one tantra, mantra, and yantra. He gifted it to the embodiment of the dynamic energy of consciousness, called Prakriti, the feminine principle, the goddess of the universe. The tantra is Sri Vidya or Sri Kalpa. The mantra is Sri Mahashodhasi. The yantra is Sri Chakra. Together, these tantric rituals facilitate material fulfillment, bhoga, and spiritual liberation, moksha. To achieve union with the universal life force. The Divine Mother. Sri Vidya Upasana is a profound spiritual practice centered on the worship of Goddess Lalita Tripura Sundari, representing supreme consciousness and bliss. This tradition integrates Tantra, Mantra, Yantra, and Dhyana meditation to cultivate material prosperity, spiritual liberation, and cosmic unity. Sri Vidya emphasizes the unification of Shiva, representing pure consciousness, and Shakti, embodying creative energy. Cultivation of this practice fosters the integration of masculine and feminine energies within the practitioner, ultimately resulting in inner harmony and self-realization. The non-dual Brahman. The meaning of Sri Vidya. The term Sri Vidya means sacred knowledge or divine wisdom, encapsulating profound metaphysical truths about the self, the universe, and the ultimate supreme reality. It involves understanding the intricate interplay of the universe, soul, and divine consciousness through rituals, meditation, and mantra practices. The Sri Vidya practice highlights 5 divine functions of the goddess. 1. Shrishti means creation. 2. Sthiti means preservation. 3. Samhara means dissolution. 4. Tirodhana means concealment. 5. Anugraha means grace. These cosmic forces are embodied in the Sri Chakra Yantra, a geometric manifestation of universal creation. Balancing bhoga, worldly enjoyment, and moksha, liberation. Unlike ascetic practices, it posits that moksha is attainable while fulfilling worldly responsibilities, harmonizing material enjoyment with spiritual discipline. Kundalini awakening. Sri Vidya practices involve awakening Kundalini Shakti, the kinetic energy, the latent divine energy residing at the base of the spine, and guiding it through the chakras to unite with Shiva, the static energy, in the crown chakra. Integration of Bhakti, Jnana, and Tantra. Sri Vidya seamlessly integrates 1. Bhakti, devotion surrender to Goddess Lalita. 2. Jnana, wisdom realizing the non-duality of self and cosmos. 3. Tantra, rituals, yantras, and mantras to invoke the divine feminine within. Lalita Tripura Sundari is depicted enthroned upon a seat supported by Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Maheshwara, and Sadashiva, signifying her supreme status. She presides over the states of waking, dreaming, and deep sleep, and guides beyond them to Turiya, the state of pure consciousness. Shri Vidya Tantra offers a path to both cosmic understanding and self-transformation. Dedicated practice integrates material prosperity with spiritual liberation, fostering a life of fulfillment and divine bliss. What makes Shri Vidya unique? It's a complete spiritual path that balances devotion, discipline, and direct experience. It encourages practitioners to see the divine in everything, merging material life with spiritual pursuits. The blessings of Goddess Lalita make the path smoother, with guidance and grace manifesting in unexpected ways. Modern relevance of Shri Vidya Tantra. Despite being an ancient practice, Shri Vidya is extremely relevant for today's world. It teaches balance amid chaos, offers tools for self-realization without requiring renunciation, and provides spiritual guidance for overcoming life's challenges.
Shri Vidya Upasana Mantras. Shri Vidya mantras are regarded as highly secretive and are only given by a guru when the practitioner is spiritually ready. These mantras not only awaken the inner Kundalini energy but also align it with the divine consciousness. Scared Mantras states in Lalita Sahasranamam that Atma Vidya Mahavidya Shri Vidya Kama Sevita Shri Sotsaksari Vidya Trikutika Kama Kotika. Each word hides a secret mantra within. Shri Vidya has multiple names as mentioned in the hymns above, and they are meaningful. Important Upasana Mantras. 1. Atma Mantra means soul mantra, which works only for you, based on your birth purpose. 2. Maha Shodhashi Mantra. 3. Shodhashi Mantra. 4. Lagu Shodhashi Mantra. 5. Shri Panchachi Mantra. 6. Kam Kotika Mantras mean wish-fulfilling mantras for spiritual, financial, and material benefits. 7. Trikutika, Shri Bala Mantra. 8. Shri Uchishta Mahaganpati Mantra. 9. Navakari Mantra. 10. Asta Karma Mantras. 11. Ashta Mahasiddhi Mantras. 12. And many more mantras, according to purpose. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible in this world using Shri Vidya Tantra, Shri Vidya Mantras, and Ashtagandha Shri Chakra in combination. It is written in the Brahmanda Purana. Rajyam Theyam, Sa Theyam Na Theya Sodashakshari. The meaning of this shloka is, a kingdom and one's life may be freely offered, however, the 16-letter mantra of Rvidi should never be disclosed. It is proof of the power of Shri Vidya Tantric rituals. Would you like further information regarding the advantages of Shri Vidya Upasana Tantra? Unlock ancient wisdom to transform your life. Unveil the ancient science of abundance and inner transformation. Learn the timeless secrets of Shri Vidya. Awaken your inner power. Manifest abundance in every area of life. Are you ready to access ancient spiritual wisdom? To transform your life in the modern world? Join our exclusive online class. To learn the sacred practices of Shri Vidya Tantra. A path that harmonizes your energy, unlocks hidden potential, and aligns you with the universe's natural flow of abundance. Shri Vidya Shri Peedam Trust. Life Force Academia. Teachings of Cosmic Spiritual Science. Email ID shrividyasraipedam@gmail.com. Website www.shrividyasraipedam.com. WhatsApp +919791476947. Let us discuss each mantra and ritual in upcoming videos. Stay tuned for a special episode on Ashtagandha Shri Chakra with unknown secrets.
Like, subscribe, and share for more valuable content. Keep watching us. Om Jai Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Jai Shri Matre Namaha. Jai Guru Datta.